Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM.
Hey mates! Welcome aboard and I am your next destination. For this vlog guys, ay magta-travel tayo, pupunta tayo ng Sipalay. So first stop guys is nandito tayo sa Bacolod South Terminal para sumakay ng bus, series bus to be exact guys. And yung pangalan ng bus is Sinubaan kasi dadaan yun guys ng Sipalay.
And early morning pa kami umalis ng Bacolod guys. So umalis yung bus 6 AM. First trip ng series bus is 6 AM guys. But mas early siya umalis guys, around 5:45. So much better guys, mas early kayo sa terminal kasi every 2 hours yung pagitan ng mga bus going to Sipalay guys. And yung transportation fare is 300 pesos going to Sipalay. And napakaganda ng view going to Sipalay guys. Napaka-picturesque. And mapapawaw Sipalay ka talaga.
Open up.
So after 5 hours of bus ride, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sipalay. And for our lunch guys, dito kami magla-lunch sa fish tank. So tara guys, samahan nyo.
And sobrang ganda ng restaurant na to guys kasi napaka Instagrammable and mafe-feel mo na parang nasa Bali ka lang pero nasa Sipalay ka lang pala. So a glimpse of Bali in Sipalay.
Open up, open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So guys, nandito na pala yung lunch namin and nag-order lang kami ng boneless bangus and then pork and then rice. So tara guys, kain tayo.
Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
Gamay na cellphone. Tao.
Pakadto na dres sa kuno.
Gamay na cellphone. Tirahan mo.
Say hi to my vlog.
Bugto. Boom.
Sig.
Bakit?
Open up, open up.
Mami.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open.
Ang takap ko ng palisa.
And eto na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa Nataasan Resort. So, halina guys at pasukin natin kung ano nga ba yung may offer ng resort na to. And tara guys, pasok tayo.
Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
And it's 5 PM ngayon dito guys, and nagsarap maglakad dito sa beach. And nandito kami ngayon sa Ponta Value Beach, and hindi na masakit yung init guys, so masarap mag-stroll. And pagbaba mo from Nataasan Resort guys, ang dami na ring mga nearby resorts na situated dito sa Ponta Value. Merong artistic diving, Robinson's Cruise, and a lot more.
Bitch, you want baby, yeah, ma. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in.
And napakaganda din ng sunset dito sa Ponta Value Beach guys. Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant ng Nataasan Resort, and nag-aantay kami ng dinner namin guys. So napakaganda ng view dito, and napakaganda ng place guys. And overlooking doon sa beach ng Ponta Value. So dinner is served na guys, and nag-order kami dito ng pork barbecue, grilled pork, and chicken wings. So tara guys, kain tayo. So guys, magna-night swimming kami ngayon.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the high road and hop in. First impression.
So kakatapos lang namin mag-night swimming guys, and we're back dito sa aming room. And dito na magtatapos yung day 1 namin dito sa Sipalay. And tomorrow, marami pa kaming pupuntahan, marami pa kaming activity na gagawin. Mag-island hopping kami, swimming, pupunta sa ibang mga resort and mag-picture taking. And tomorrow guys, early morning, since hindi ko pa kayo na-tour sa buong resort, so gagawin ko yung resort tour dito sa Nataasan Resort. And for now guys, magpapahinga muna kami kasi sobrang pagod din. Grabe yung biyahe kanina, 5 hours na biyahe from Bacolod papunta dito sa Sipalay. And for now guys, magpapahinga na muna kami. So see you tomorrow! Hey mates, good morning! And nakalimutan ko guys, nakatulog na kami dito sa room and hindi pa pala ako nakapag-room tour. So this is our room guys, it's a poolside room and yung capacity nito guys is 2 person. But since tatlo kami pumunta dito sa Sipalay guys, nag-add kami ng another 1 person. So nag-additional kami ng 550 pesos. So the total na binayaran namin dito sa room guys is 2,545 pesos. So okay na rin kasi yung room na to guys is very spacious, malaki na rin siya guys. Then may dalawang double size na bed. So ito guys, and then napaka-native ng feels ng room nito guys. So mga bamboo all over yung design. And then meron lang siyang aircon. So late na namin na-notice guys, ito pala is walang TV. So walang konting entertainment guys. So yun lang yung parang kulang. And dito guys, merong mga closet. So made of bamboo din. And then nandito yung toilet, comfort room shower. So dito guys, okay na rin. Medyo okay na siya. May sink, mirror, shower, and then toilet bowl. And then this side naman guys, nandito yung main entrance, main door. And it's overlooking pool. So yan guys, and then nandun yung mga cottages, then villas. So after nito guys is mag-breakfast muna kami. And then pagkatapos namin mag-breakfast ay tuturo ko naman kayo sa buong resort. So while waiting for our breakfast guys, magka-coffee muna kami. Good morning Sipalay. So here's our breakfast guys. Merong toyo, longganisa, and Ending to... Hey guys, so as promised, I will give you a quick resort tour. So nandito kami ngayon sa Nataasan Resort. So ito yung first night namin guys, is nakabook kami dito sa Nataasan Resort. And ito yung pool area nila guys. And then nandun yung mga villas, and then hotel room. So napakaganda dito guys, and napaka-serene. Maririnig mo yung mga ibon, and marami din mga puno guys, so hindi ganun kainit dito.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up.
And this will be my part 1 of my Sipalay tour guys, and see ya sa part 2 kasi pumunta pa kami ng Perth Island Resort, also Tinagong Dagat, and a lot more, and nag-highland hopping pa kami guys, and lumipat din kami ng hotel, lumipat kami sa Jamont Hotel, and see ya sa part 2 guys, and hope to see you again in the next and future vlog. This is Dex Destination once again. Bon voyage, keep safe guys, bye!